That's the swimming pool and tennis court. It's a walking distance from our place.
Yeah, take the picture. Stay there. Yeah. Sweat.
That's our house.
Sweat.
Banana heart.
No, sir. Oh, take it to the tree.
Banana heart.
So we can go. Surroundings are all
Shit.
Hi, this is our car.
Van.
This is
It's a van.
car.
It's a van.
This is Iran, and John.
Okay.
This is the main street.
Big. Really someone else. Astrologically.
Meron tayong mga extra battery.
Oh, meron. Battery na set.
Yeah, it must have been so
Camera.
normal or something.
Sinabi yung ano, Lolo?
Yeah.
This is Hawaii. I am beautiful Hawaii.
Interesting day. Well,
Make a claim from say the bone. How do they make it the DNA for that?
you know, my understanding is they got it from it was from the blood. And I'm not sure exactly, or maybe it was the bone marrow. They took it directly from the bone marrow, so it would make where it manufactures the blood and has all of the DNA ingredients in it.
Does that mean that we could clone people historical figures? Pick up their bones and
That is a great question.
you know, I mean, from the egg.
Yes.
Right? Took out all the DNA.
Oh,
And
from
then-
the egg.
Yeah.
The sunshine is nice. Hawaii. There's no any battery yet. Battery.
Not yet. It's still clear.
We're plenty, yeah.
You're planning. You gotta think of the mountain. Here, let me take you on the mountain. You gotta get the mountain scenery.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Yeah. How you wind up?
Oh.
You gotta plan.
How about you, Dave?
Huh?
How about you?
Right here.
Where you staying? Where you staying?
That's the
The 30,
Koilina condominium.
Yeah.
we're staying on the 20th floor.
Which one?
20A.
What hotel?
What's the name of that hotel?
Koilina.
Koilina.
Oh yeah.
$200 a day.
Wow. You must be rich.
See, I would say in about 3 minutes we'll be on the ring.
Oh yeah? The rain just passed by. You see them in California? Somewhere.
There's Uncle.
Or tour guide.
David.
Or tour guide.
Okay. You remember their name,
Oh, yes,
Uncle
Shaka, bro.
David?
Shaka bro.
Okay.
Mahalo.
And that's Irene.
Mahalo.
Irene,
Thank you, man.
where you at, Irene?
Aloha.
Where are you?
Aloha.
Yeah, which house? Which house?
Auntie.
I have to know. What's the name of your cousins?
Happy. You forgot?
What's the name of your cousins? You should know.
What's your name?
Huh?
Did you remember your name?
Come on, come on.
Rowan. Filipino, there's
Your cousin. That's your cousin. What's her name?
Huh?
Come on.
There's
You know, we went to my
Huh?
cousin's house and
Elisa,
you don't know their
Elisa.
name.
About
Cousin.
your oldest cousin.
I know what's their name.
Arian?
Ariane.
Arian.
Aryan and Arisa.
Arissa.
The A.
Arian, Arisa,
Arbe.
Arnel, huh?
Arbe.
Arbe,
Arvin.
Arvin, and the,
The A.
what's the one there that's, she's not here?
The uncle.
And the one upstairs.
Really junior.
Oh, Robin, oh,
That's a
Robin.
junior.
That's a
That's
junior. Arlen, that's their mom.
Okay.
And Ruben is
The youngest.
Uh,
The Robin is the dad. There.
Arisa and
that's how you get Arvin.
okay. Say your name.
Arista.
Arisa and
Ariane.
Ariane. Yeah, there.
Their name is
Okay,
old
don't forget
A.
their names.
Arlene's the other sister.
That's uncle.
To end this misery and wonder.